Hello guys, in this video we're going to go over the steps that we follow in order to set up Assembla Action Automation for workflows within your sub account and connect to your Assembla platform. So let's get started. Inside your sub account, you go at the app marketplace to search for the app type Assembla. We click on it, you go at install and then allow and install. There are some credentials required in order to get the installation going, which is to provide the API key and the API secret. So we're going to switch to our Assembler platform in order to get them. Inside Assembler, we come over here, we go ahead and my profile, and then API applications and sessions description. We can say as, for example, API access. We check the repository access and then we create. So we get the API key here, copy, paste, and then we go and search for the API secret here. We show the API secret, we copy, paste, we continue with the installation, we confirm the plan, confirm, we complete the installation, and we finally get the on install. This means that the tool is already connected to our assembly platform, and now we're able to start executing actions directly from the workflow for our assembly platform. So guys, if you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. We have a very dedicated team who is also available 24/7 to answer to other questions. If you enjoyed this video at some point, don't forget to give some thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit our subscribe button. Thank you for watching.